Today, we reveal how iPhone 17 is made.
Zoom in on the power management schematics.
How are we handling the thermal load in this section?
Look at this data point here on the holographic display. The strain ratio is excellent. Yeah.
It definitely meets the new specifications for the iPhone 17.
Robotic arms begin CNC cutting the iPhone 17 chassis from a solid metal block. Slow-motion sparks fly as precision milling shapes the iPhone 17 body. Laser scanners verify the symmetry of every iPhone 17 frame.
Frames are polished to a smooth satin finish under robotic buffing machines.
Glass undergoes chemical strengthening baths for durability.
OLED micro-layer display technology is assembled pixel by pixel.
The iPhone 17 logic board is assembled using nanoscale components.
Apple silicon chips are placed carefully onto the motherboard. Automated soldering connects thousands of microscopic circuits.
Look at the resistance reading on sector 7. It's unstable.
Yes, I see the fluctuation. It might be a cold joint near the capacitor.
Battery cells are tested for efficiency and thermal stability.
Ultra-thin battery units slide perfectly into the iPhone 17 body.
Wireless charging coils are aligned with sub-millimeter precision.
Camera modules for iPhone 17 are assembled in a dust-free environment.
Face ID and sensor arrays are mounted behind the display.
Haptic engine components are placed for precise tactile feedback.
Internal cabling is routed neatly using automated guides. Water and dust-resistant seals are tested under pressure chambers.
Software diagnostics scan every internal function.
Battery charging cycles are tested for safety and efficiency.
Thermal tests measure heat dissipation under heavy load.
The test cycle is complete.
Excellent. The new alloy performed within tolerance.
Advanced laser systems inspect internal solder joints inside the iPhone 17 logic board.
The iPhone 17 camera stabilization module is calibrated using motion simulation rigs. The iPhone 17 antenna system is tuned for signal accuracy inside a shielded chamber.
Precision robots test button responsiveness on the iPhone 17 frame. Protective films are applied to the iPhone 17 display.
The iPhone 17 is placed gently into its premium packaging.
Accessories and documentation slide into the box.
The box seals automatically with precision machinery. Random units are selected for final quality audits.
Approved units are stacked neatly for shipment.
The iPhone 17 leaves the factory for global delivery.
The factory lights dim as production completes.
The display lights up, revealing the iconic Apple interface.
The Apple logo glows softly on the back.
We're calling this the limitless display. With a simple swipe, the iPhone 17 projects a fully interactive 3D environment right before your eyes.
The iPhone 17's advanced AR features project holographic visuals above the table.
The iPhone 17 is placed on a wireless charger, glowing softly as it powers up.
You look beautiful in this light.
Stop it, you're making me blush.
The sunset is beautiful too.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more factory stories.